Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today we are going to learn about chapter 14 Bonku Babu's Friend book exercise. What is the topic, children? Yes, right, chapter 14 Bonku Babu's Friend. Let's see the exercise. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Let's see the first question. Bonku Babu almost jumped up because A option, he could not hear the voice clearly. B option, he could not understand who was talking and what was being said. Then C option, he was frightened of the strange creature in front of him. Which is the correct one? Yes, right. B is the correct one. He could not understand who was talking and what was being said because that language is too different. So only the Bonku Babu was jumped up. Have you all understood, children? B is the correct answer. Second question, though Bonku Babu could run away, he didn't because A. He wanted to know who or what was the cause of the strange happening in the grove. B option, he was too tired. C option, his legs and hands were tied. Children, yes, it's right. He wanted to know who or what was the cause of the strange happening in the grove. So A is the correct answer. Next we move to third question. The creature realized he was not on Pluto because A option, Bonku Babu did not reply to the strange language he spoke. B option, the planets looked different. C option, there were no animals there. Which is the correct choose? A option is the correct one. Bonku Babu did not reply to the strange language he spoke because that language was too different. Okay, that Bonku Babu now only hearing that the type of voice and all, so he not at all reply anything. So A option is the correct one. Next we move to fourth question. Bonku Babu felt very uncomfortable when A option, the creature examined him by pressing his arms and legs with his finger. B option, the creature tried to poke him. C option, the creature spoke to him. No, the answer is A. The creature examined him by pressing his arms and legs with his finger. Then so only that Bonku Babu felt very uncomfortable. Okay, because somebody will come and touching means what we will do? Yes, he feeling very uncomfortable. Okay, so A option is right. Then fifth question, the creature told Bonku Babu that his fault was that A option, he allowed people to hurt and insult him. B option, he did not speak up against bribery. C option, he did not have a bath every day. Which is the correct answer? A. He allowed people to hurt and insult him. In this lesson, already we saw that Bonku Babu, all of them tease him. So only that aliens came and it will advised to that Bonku Babu. So that strange creature advised to that Bonku Babu. What? So no need to allow any people to hurt or insult you itself like that. So fifth question, answer A is the correct one. Next sixth question, Aang left in his spaceship because dash. A option, he had to go to the planet Pluto. B option, he was frightened of Bonku Babu. C option, Bonku Babu told him to go away. A is the correct answer. He had to go to the planet Pluto. Okay, next we move to answer the following. Let's learn the first question. Who was Aang? In that lesson we learned who was Aang. Answer, Aang was an alien from the planet Cranius. Okay, second question, how did Aang come to Earth? How? Aang was going to Pluto in his spaceship, but his instruments malfunctioned and he had to land on Earth. Okay, that instrument are not at all working properly. So only he landed on the Earth. Okay, answer. Aang was going to Pluto in his spaceship, but his instruments malfunctioned and he had to land on Earth. Next we move to third question. What did he tell Bonku Babu about his planet and about himself? Answer, Aang told Bonku Babu that he was from the planet Cranius and that he was a far superior creature than man. He knew 14,000 languages and had been 25 planets outside the solar system. Children, that Aang, how many languages it know? 14,000 languages. Next, fourth question. Why was Ponjagos so excited at the Sunday meeting? Answer. Ponjagos was so excited while he was telling about his bamboo group to everyone. On that day something was happened, no. So only that Ponjagos came to that meeting and he was very excited to tell everything to his friends. Answer. Ponjagos was so excited while he was telling about his bamboo group to everyone. Have you all understood, children? Okay, thank you.